Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about a major economic issue that is being faced in our country, that is India's unemployment crisis, its challenges and what could be its possible solutions. India, the world's fastest growing major economy, yet millions struggle to find jobs. The question is why? Despite economic growth, why is unemployment still such a pressing issue? Today we will explore the root causes of India's unemployment crisis, look at its historical context, and discuss potential solutions. India has a massive workforce. Over 900 million people are of working age. However, the economy has been unable to generate enough jobs to keep up with the increasing number of job seekers. In 2023, the overall unemployment rate in India was around 7 to 8%. The problem is even more severe for young people, with youth unemployment exceeding 20%. That means 1 in 5 young Indians looking for work are unable to find a job. But why is this happening? What are the key factors driving employment in India? Let's break it down. First, we have what is called jobless growth. While India's economy continues to expand, the industries driving this growth, such as technology and finance, don't create as many jobs as traditional sectors like manufacturing or agriculture. This means that even though the GDP is growing, the number of employment opportunities isn't increasing at the same pace. Second, there's a skill mismatch. Many graduates coming out of universities today lack the necessary skills and industries required. Our education system focuses more on theoretical knowledge rather than practical job-oriented skills, leaving many young people unprepared for the job market. Third, automation and AI are replacing traditional jobs. The rise of new technologies, companies are increasingly relying on machines and software, reducing the demand for human labor in many sectors. This is particularly true in manufacturing and customer service. Finally, the decline of MSMEs, that is micro, small, and medium enterprises, is a huge factor. These businesses are among the largest employers in India, but many of them have been struggling due to policies such as GST, demonetization, and COVID-19 pandemic. If businesses fail, job creation slows down significantly. To better understand where we are today, let's take a quick look at history. India has faced employment challenges for decades. After independence, the economy was primarily agrarian with limited industrialization. In 1991, economic liberalization led to rapid growth in the service and IT sectors, creating new jobs. However, focus on service left manufacturing and agriculture lagging behind, which means job growth remained concentrated in only few areas. This is why India's progress in employment continues to be a challenge today. But how can we fix this? What are the possible solutions? There are several ways we could address unemployment, but here are three key strategies that could make a real difference. Use manufacturing and MSMEs. We need policies that genuinely support the Make in India initiative by cutting red tape, improving access to credit, and creating a business-friendly environment. If small and medium enterprises thrive, they can generate millions of new jobs. This will take around 5 to years to show a significant impact. Skill development and educational reforms. Universities and technical institutions must align their curriculum with industry needs. More vocational training programs should be introduced to help students gain practical knowledge. This change can start showing results within 3 to 5 years, encouraging entrepreneurship and startups. The government can simply regulations and provide better funding opportunities to help young entrepreneurs start their own businesses. When new businesses succeed, they can create jobs for others. This is an ongoing process that requires continuous effort. Of course, implementing these solutions isn't easy. There are several barriers to making these challenges happen. Political resistance and bureaucratic red tape often slow down economic reforms. Infrastructure development is also slow, which makes it harder for businesses to grow. And finally, the private sector needs to step up and work more closely with the educational institutes to ensure students graduate with valuable skills. India is at a turning point. We have the potential to become a global economic powerhouse, but that will only happen if we address unemployment effectively. With the right policies, better education, and strong support for businesses, we can create a future where every Indian has access to meaningful employment.